make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to save money at Lush, and I filmed this video quite a few years ago now and I thought, do you know what, it needs an update, we need to refilm it, let's kind of do it all over again. So I'm going to be sharing with you my kind of updated ways on how to save money at Lush, because let's be honest, it is expensive. It's not cheap. I bought a small bag of things the other day and it was £48, so it's not cheap. But also in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can win your very own Lush gift. So make sure you stick around through the video. I might do it at the end of the video, I might do it in the middle of the video, so make sure you watch the whole video to find out how you can win. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So my first tip is mainly on portion control, and I'm not talking about food, don't worry, but I'm talking about bath bombs and bubble bars. So bath bombs, obviously you buy them, you put them all in the bath, and it is quite an expensive bath. One bath bomb from Lush is probably around £5. So what I tend to do is actually cut the bath bomb in half and you get 2 uses out of it, which doesn't seem like a lot, but actually it doesn't make much difference in terms of the overall kind of experience in the bath. It just means that you get to do it all over again. So I would definitely cut your bath bombs in half, but also with bubble bars I tend to feel like at Lush they don't really tell you how many uses you can get out of products realistically, so I would say that with a bubble bar, for example, like the comforter, I can get 6 baths out of that. Like 6 baths. When I went in to buy one they said I could get 2, so be realistic, don't put it all in, literally crumble a tiny amount, zhuzh it about, like get a bit of effort going on, and you're probably not going to need like a third of this, as the same amount. Does that make sense? I feel like I've just rambled on, but yeah. You're probably not going to need half as much, so yeah, you're welcome. My second tip would be to ask for samples. Now Lush do samples. I'm not saying by any means go into the Lush store, demand samples and leave, like that's not really the purpose of a sample, but if you want to go in, you've got a bit of time to spare, have a consultation with somebody and just sort of say like, can you try the products out first, because you don't want to go buying them, and that will save you so much money because you're not going to waste money on something that you don't like. I believe you can return things at Lush, but it's just a lot of effort really, so just get a sample, try out the product first. If you love it, then buy it, and yeah, you won't have to return it, so kind of a win-win. My next tip is to use the recycling black pots program. So to do this I believe you have to return 6 clean empty black pots. I mean that was the case when it was there, or was it 5? I think it might be 5. Somebody double check, but I think it might be 5 actually. 5 black pots sounds a bit more realistic, so yeah, we'll go with 5. 5 black pots and you get a free fresh face mask. Now these face masks are now £9, which to me is ridiculous because they used to be £6.95 or £6.75 or even £5 at one point. So they have gone up a lot and it's just a lot of money to spend. So why would you not just take your black pots, take them back to Lush and get a face mask out of it? Just kind of common sense really. So yeah, definitely do that. I would 100% give it a go. And if you don't like the face mask, you haven't spent any money, just wash it out and return the pot again. So yeah, return your pots. It's good for the environment too. So my next tip is a bit of a weird one, but if you know you love a product, just buy the big size. Now obviously it is going to be more expensive because it's going to be bigger, duh. But if you buy smaller ones, you're going to have to repurchase it more often, therefore spending more money. So with, say for example, the shower gels, I think the big ones, let's say, are £20 and the small ones £7. I'm just gonna like throw numbers out, but if the small one is maybe even less than a quarter of the big one, you're gonna end up spending more money. So work out what you love and buy it in big. It will save you so much money. And it means you haven't got to repurchase it as often, which means you haven't got to go into town as often to go get it, and it just saves you time as well, you know. So thank me later for that one. My next tip is to use solid shampoo bars. Now a lot of people look at the solid shampoo bars and kind of get a bit weird about it because it's a solid shampoo and a lot of people find it a bit weird. They're kind of, it's something really different and not a lot of people know about them, so it is a bit of a strange one. But especially if you're going on holiday, a solid shampoo bar can be used for your shampoo, your body wash, you can wash clothes with it. Like, it's really multi-purpose, and I feel like that would save you a lot more money than going out and buying a shampoo, a body wash. Do you know what I mean? Like, it just makes more sense, and you can use them for literally about 3 months. Like, one lasts me about 3 months, so definitely try the solid shampoos because they are really, really good, and they just smell amazing, so Love those. And last but not least, this has been a very quick video. My last tip would be to brave it and shop the sale. Now, I personally would never try and go on the Lush website on Boxing Day because it just doesn't work. I tried it last year, didn't work, I just gave up in the end, and I went to a place nearby-ish on, when was it? I think it was a few days after Christmas, like maybe early January, and they had a Lush and they still had sale stuff left, so I got some of that and I was happy as Larry. So I would definitely go to your local Lush store, even if you can't go on Boxing Day, just go like the day after or the day after that and just get what you can get, because at the end of the day it's not like a life or death situation if you don't get your big bottle of Snow Fairy, you know. So just go, have a browse, see what they've got left and treat yourself to something, and you'll still be happy with that, I'm sure. So yeah, shop the sale. It's definitely a good tip. So those are all of my current how to save money at Lush tips. I hope you guys enjoyed, I hope you found them useful, and now on to the bit you've all been waiting for, I'm sure, which is the Lush giveaway. Now, I am giving away this gift because I really like it. It's got Plum Rain in it and it's got Bohemian Soap, one of my faves as well, and I just thought the packaging was adorable, so I'm giving this away to you guys. The rules are very, very simple. So rule number 1 is subscribe to this channel that you're watching this video on. The second rule is to follow me on Instagram, which will be linked in the description. And the third rule is to leave me a comment down below with your Instagram handle, that's very important, and I would like to know your ultimate favourite Lush product ever, hands down, ride or die, could not live without it product. That's what I want to know. So leave me a comment down below and you can win a chance of winning this. So yeah, but make sure you leave me your Instagram handles because that's how I will contact you. And also, if you're under the age of 18, I guess, make sure you have your parents' permission because I obviously will need your address. So yeah, if you want to win, comment down below. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Obviously, don't forget to enter the giveaway, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys.